Foshan Linyobang Precision Machinery Complemented. Foshan Linyobang Precision Machinery Complemented. From the creation to the present, after more than 10 years accumulated steadily, the investment has built a modern production base of more than 20,000 square meters. Products include automatic roll form equipment for slide, full automatic assembly machine for slide, semi-automatic assembly machine, full automatic bending machine, assembly line, and other rail series of machinery. We pursue a larger scale, strong production capacity, rapid production response capacity. The company has a large number of experienced technical personnel with a large number of advanced equipment in the industry. Modern, intensive, and highly efficient production systems ensure that the quantity and the quality of our products are steadily improving. Strict internal management of enterprise. The spirit of the craftsman is constantly throughout the production process. From purchase raw material to control manufacturing process, every process is strictly controlled to produce more excellent, superior performance and more stable automation equipment.